Our Lenox Avenue, Malcolm X Boulevard service includes the rims thoroughly cleaned and touched up if needed, the frame lightly coated with anti-rust spray, the wheel wells thoroughly cleaned and touched up, a hand wash, spray waxed and hand buffed, the inside door trim cleaned, the fuel door cleaned, the windshield and all windows sprayed and buffed, the interior vacuumed and wiped down. Our Lenox Avenue, Malcolm X Boulevard visual flow service focuses on wheel well, and lower frame refinement because true presentation should flow uninterrupted.
oeroSTREET. The street that leads to excellence.
Ain't no half stepping. Word.